Two fish, Bubbles and Finley, were chatting in the ocean. "Why does the water taste funny?" asked Bubbles. Finley replied, "I heard it's because of ocean acidification." Bubbles looked puzzled. "Ocean what?" Finley explained, "It's when the ocean gets too much carbon dioxide, like when you drink too much soda and burp." Bubbles giggled. "So the ocean's burping?" Finley nodded. "Exactly. But instead of burps, we get more seaweed." Bubbles laughed. "Great, now I have to dodge burping seaweed." Finley chuckled. "Just another day in the ocean."